Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 4th February. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing options open interest data. So tomorrow we have the weekly expiry, and max pain for this contract is at 14,700 level. So if market was to expire around 14,650 to 14,750 range, in that scenario, option writers at 14,700 strike are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. If we analyze overall open interest data, you will see that today highest amount of puts were written at 14,700 strike, followed by 14,650 strike. And if we see the calls, today highest amount of calls were written at 14,850 strike, followed by 14,950 strike. And you will see that calls that are now in the money, 14,400 strike, 14,500, 14,600, 14,700 strikes, they saw their open interest reduce. So it just tells us that option call writers, they have booked their losses, while option call buyers, they have booked their profits. And the short term range for tomorrow is going to be 14,650 on the downside to 14,850 on the upside. And I would also like to reiterate that max pain is at 14,700 level. So if market was to expire in between 14,650 to 14,750 odd levels, in that scenario, option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses. And usually the weekly contracts or monthly contracts, they usually expire around the max pain levels. If we analyze Nifty spot on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, Nifty is under control of buyers above 13,758 levels, and the monthly and the weekly open are the same for this week as multiple time frames opened on 1st February. So weekly is also under control of buyers above 13,758 levels, and on the daily time frame, you will see that we are making higher high and higher lows. And again, market was under control of buyers above 14,754.9 levels. Based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 14,789 levels, we can trade towards 14,868 levels, 14,947 level, and potentially 15,047 levels. And on the flip side, below 14,642 levels, we can trade towards 14,574, 14,495, and potentially 14,395 levels. And we have a neutral price range of 14,789 to 14,642. And it is the neutral price range. One can refrain from making any trades, as tomorrow is also the weekly expiry. Our stock watch list comprises of inside candles on the daily time frame. So the stocks that we have chosen are Asian Paints. It's an inside candle, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 2,500 3.95 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 2,438.25 levels. The second stock is NMDC. It is again an inside candle on the daily time frame, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 112.9 level, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 109.9 levels. And our third stock is SBI Life. It's again an inside candle, and above 880 we'll look for buying opportunities, or below 858.25 we'll look for selling opportunities. And finally, our stock is Grasim, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 1205.6 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 1172.15 levels. And all these stocks are inside candles on the daily time frame. And as you all know, inside candles are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. And basically, inside candles are consolidation zones in the market on lower time frames, and we would look for entry if market breaks either side of the range. And finally, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 14,789 level, market can trade towards 14,868 levels, 14,947 levels, and potentially 15,047 levels. And below 14,642, we can trade towards 14,574 levels, 14,495 levels, and potentially 14,395 levels. And broadly speaking, based on the open interest, we are in a range of 15,050 to 14,700. And our max pain for 4th February weekly expiry is at 14,700. And our stock watch list for tomorrow consists of Asian Paint, NMDC, SBI Life, Grasim. Finally, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel.